It says we should have this property, right? Then we can say these two events are independent, right?
Okay.
Event A is red, event B is what? Is striped, right?
Yeah.
So probability of A intersect B should be equal to probability of A times probability of B, right?
Yeah.
Probability of A is what? Number of reds over what?
Over 6.
Probability of B is what? What over what?
Stripes over 6.
Yes, number of S over 6, right?
Yeah.
P of A intersect B is what?
Number of red stripes. Wait. Number of red stripes over 6.
Yes, number of, we can say R intersect S over 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can divide or we can multiply both sides by what to simplify?
6.
Yes, if we want to get rid of the denominators, we can multiply by 6. So 6 times R intersect S should be equal to RS, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we should calculate number of cases that we have this property. For example, let me tell you one of the cases. Do you agree this one can be 6? And then we can say this one is 6, 1 in this case, and 6, 1, 6. Because we know R and S are at most what? At least what?
At most 0, or at least 0, at most 6.
Yes. So do you agree if this one is 6, we have only these two cases, 6, 1, 1, 6?
Do you mean R? You mean R and S is 6, or like the whole thing is 6?
No,
Or R?
R intersect S is 6, R6 S1 or R1 S6.
But wouldn't it have to be 36 on the right side then?
Sorry, wait a second. So 1, 0, and 6. So it should be 6, 6, right?
Yeah.
The only possible case is this, if this one is 6. So can you tell me, in this case, if we have 6 reds, 6 S's, so it will be this, right? All balls should be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yeah.
So the probability of this one is what?
1 over 2 to the 12.
Yes, so it's the first. If this one is 5, what are the cases for RS? 5, 6, 6, 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for this one means we have 5 reds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one should be blue and 6 S's, right?
Yeah.
The probability of this one is what?
Blue 6. 1 over 2 to the 12 times 6. So 6 over 2 to the 12.
Yes, because one of them is this, the rest is this. 6 choose 1 over 2 to the 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if we cancel both of them, we should multiply by what?
2.
Yes, and similarly, you can calculate for the rest. Understand?
Yeah, kind of.
And you should add all of them, it will be your answer, okay?
Okay.
Try. Okay,
I
so
think is right.
one hint.
No, I ended up getting the right answer.
Okay, so let's check one by one. If it is after 6, 5, we should check what next?
6, 4.
Yes, what are the cases for RS?
6, 4, and 4, 6.
And do you agree they are similar, so we can multiply by 2?
Yeah.
So it's what?
6 choose 2 times 2 over 2 to the 12.
Okay, because, for example, we have 6 R's, we have 4 S's, and 2 D's. So 6 choose 2 times, yes, 2. Then for 3, what are the cases?
6, 3, 3, 6.
So this one will be what?
2 times 20 over 2, or 2 to the 2 times 20 over 2 to the 12.
Yeah, 6 choose 3 times 2 over 2 to the 12, right?
Yeah.
because we have again R, S, D. What about 2?
You have 6 2. You have 6 2 2 6 4 3 3 4.
For this one, it will be what?
2 times 15 over 2 to the 12.
6 choose 2 times 2 over 2 to the 12, you said?
Yeah.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S, D. What about next one?
6 factorial over 2 times 2 times 1 over 2 to the 12 times 2. Oh,
Okay, so let's write 2 to the 1 over 2 to the 12 we have again. But times
yeah.
what? 6 factorial,
6
then over,
factorial over
yeah.
4. And then outside of that, multiply by 2 for the symmetry. Yeah.
Okay, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. We have 4 red
hmm
and 3s. The intersection is 2, right?
Yeah.
So 2s, then this one should be s. These two should be d, right?
hmm
And 1, 2,
ED.
3,
And the rest are
4,
blue.
5. This one black. Then we have 2 r.
Dotted.
Sorry,
Dotted.
here this one black, this one d, this one black, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me check. 6 factorial over 4. Or if I want to solve this, I say 6 choose 2 times 4 choose 2 times 2 factorial. Okay, why you say over 4?
Because
Okay,
there's R
if I
2
want to
times
solve it,
2
I said
factorial over
6
2
choose
factorial.
2 times 4 choose 2, okay?
Which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3
Times
over times
2,
2.
right? Then we can say what?
Uh,
6 choose 2 for RRSS, right?
what?
We select 2 of them for these two, right? Are similar.
Isn't this just how you do like rearrangement of like letters? Like if you have like A B B C D,
Yes, because
isn't it just that?
which ball is RS? Which two balls are RS? Which two balls are RD, right?
Yeah,
6
you're
choose 6
two.
choose 2 times 4 choose 2, then times 2 because of BSBD, right?
Yeah, so that's 6 factorial over 4.
Then multiply by 2 again because of this over 2 to the 12, right?
Yeah,
So if you calculate it, 6 factorial over 4 is what?
180.
180. This one, if you calculate this, 15 times 6, 90. 90 times 2, 180 times 2, 360. Okay. So let's calculate this one. If it is 1, then it is what, or what?
61163223.
For these two, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S, D, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it will be what over what?
2 times 6 over 2 to the 12.
2 times 6 over 2. What about this one?
This one's also 360 over 2 to the 12.
Okay, let's check. We have 3
When
R's.
combined.
Yes, and 1 S because the intersection is S. And we know these are D, and we have 2 S's. So S, black. And then because we have 2 S's, so it's D. Okay, so
No,
this one is different. This one, these two are different. Yes, and this
I
one.
think, I don't know. What?
Okay. For example, this case, we have R, S, 3 R's,
Uh,
2 S's, but the intersection is 1. So 1 S here, 1 S outside. So we will like 6. Agreed. It was 6
um,
choose 1, 5 choose 2, 3 choose 1, right? Let me, and times 2 because of, we have 2 cases, right?
Okay, yeah.
So it's 6 times 10, 60, 180, 36. Good job. What's the last case that we should check?
0.
0. Then here we should do what?
0, 0.
0 something, something 0, and subtract 0, 0, right?
What do you do that? Can you just do 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6?
What? Let's consider R is 0. What's the probability that R is 0?
R is 0. 1 over 64.
Also, this one is, what's the probability of this?
1 over 2 to the 12.
Yes. So here it will be 2 over 2 to the 6 minus 1 over 2 to the 2. Understand?
What is this probability? It's just 0, the 0 case overall.
Intersection is 0, so R is 0 or S is 0, right?
Okay.
We can also use your way, 0, 1, 0, 2, and we will reach same answer. Want to check with that solution?
No, because I got the right answer, so.
Okay, now you have these things. Now if you add, pay attention, the problem didn't say M plus N. It says only find M is what, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so add all these terms and you can find M is what, right?
Yeah, it's 972.
So simplify.
Yeah, I told you it's A.
You say, okay. Good job. So 972 over what? 2 to the 12, right? Okay. If you divide by 8, it will be 1. 17, 2 times 8. You cannot divide by 8. We can divide by 4, right?
Yeah, it's
17, 4 times 4, 16, 12. 243 over 2 to the 10. The numerator is 243. Right?
Yeah.